RoadGlideSully here with a quick shout out and a YABO. This shout out is for Rat74. Just a few minutes ago I watched one of his posts. He did a YABO. I thought it was pretty funny. And so I decided to do a YABO of my own. First, a little housekeeping. I am smoking my Savinelli 320 Trevi. You probably saw one of these on Mel the Garbage Man Harris's giveaway if you watched that. I love this pipe. Little Bayou Morning and Escudo mix. Got a little bit of a wild hair. It's Friday night, live a little, right? So I am doing a YABO in tribute to Rat74's YABO, whom I believe got his idea from Cherry on Top. So my YABO is yet another bourbon opening. This is Angel's Envy. And if you've not had Angel's Envy, it is really good stuff. This particular bottle is Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey finished in port wine barrels. It's 43.3% by volume, which makes it about 86 proof. So it's actually kind of on the light side for a lot of the bourbons that I drink. That's all I wanted to do tonight, folks. Live a little. Cheers. That's good stuff. I'm RoadGlideSully. Keep the riverside down.